A cactus survives on neglect. That is its genius. It stores water, all that it needs. It adapts to dryness. It develops protective spikes and learns to live with very little external nourishment. If you treat marriage like a cactus, that relationship may survive long periods without tenderness. That's a cactus for you. Without communication, without affection, without repair, without play or emotional watering. But survival is not the same as flourishing. So, over time, cactus marriages often become emotionally self-protective, low touch, and they become transactional, really, resilient but distant, careful rather than vulnerable, enduring yet dry. People in this type of relationship, they might say things like, we don't fight, but they also may not deeply connect anymore. The spikes, they become important too. In nature, cactus spines are protection against harsh environments. In marriage, spikes can look like sarcasm, defensiveness, emotional withdrawal, hyper independence. I don't need anything from you, a partner might say. The marriage itself survives the deserts, but it may stop blooming consistently. Just like the cactus, it survives the deserts, but there is no blooming, no flourishing.